I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play blues on acoustic guitar. We'll start by exploring the foundational elements that make blues music so captivating. You'll discover the essential chord shapes and rhythmic patterns that form the backbone of countless blues tunes. This guide will help you build a solid understanding, allowing you to begin your journey into this rich and expressive genre with confidence and ease. Now let's dive into the heart of blues guitar, the chords and rhythm. Dominant seventh chords are your best friends here, giving that signature bluesy tension. We'll focus on the classic 1-4-5 progression, which is the blueprint for most blues songs. Practicing a steady shuffle rhythm is also crucial. It provides the driving pulse that makes blues music so infectious and danceable. These elements are key to sounding authentic. Moving on, we'll explore some essential techniques and scales that will elevate your blues playing. The minor pentatonic scale is absolutely vital for crafting those soulful lead lines and improvisations. You'll also learn how to add emotion with techniques like string bending and vibrato, making your notes sing. Hammer-ons and pull-offs will help you create fluid and connected musical phrases, adding a professional touch to your sound. Finally, consistent practice is the key to mastering blues acoustic guitar. Aim for at least 15 minutes of focused practice every day to build muscle memory and improve your technique. Listening to a wide range of blues artists will inspire you and broaden your musical vocabulary. Don't be afraid to experiment with different blues styles and tempos. This will help you develop your unique voice and truly make the music your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.